Imagine reading the title of this video and thinking, what is Lalit gonna say that's a $10,000 credit card mistake that isn't debt? Could it be a mistake regarding cash advances where you're accruing interest from day one? Or could it be a credit card I totally forgot about and interest has gone to the moon and then from there collections? Or could it be where you have 0% for 12 months, but if you don't pay your balance in full to the penny at the end of it, all that interest from day one will be tacked on? Or could it be a travel redemption mistake where to get from point A to point B, I could have saved 200,000 points, where at 5 cents per point, that's $10,000. Or could it be straight up fraud? It's not one of those, but here's what it is. And for a moment, imagine the card, the Marriott Bonvoy Boundless Credit Card. With the Marriott Bonvoy Boundless Credit Card, from a sign-up bonus perspective, you're going to get 3 free nights up to a points value of 150k points, so 50k points per night, and 10x total points on eligible purchases in select categories. You have an annual fee of $95, with the no annual fee version being called the Marriott Bonvoy Bold. You'll get those 3 free nights after spending 3k in the first 3 months from account opening, and the 10x total points, you're going to get that up to $2,500 in combined purchases at gas stations, restaurants, and grocery stores, all within the first 6 months from account opening. From an earning structure perspective, they advertise it as up to 17x per dollar spent when you spend at Marriott Bonvoy, so 6x points in general for using the credit card, 10x for being a Marriott Bonvoy member, aka enrolled in their program, and 1x with Silver Elite status. One of the benefits that comes with this card is Elite status, specifically Silver, so you'll get that 1x every time you spend on Marriott purchases. You get unlimited points at the rate of 2x on other travel purchases, as well as other overall purchases in general. There are additional benefits that come with the card, but the USP, unique selling point, of the Marriott Bonvoy Boundless card is that every account anniversary you're going to get a free night award worth up to 35,000 points. And it was this free night that cost me everything. Not redeeming it, but not understanding when I was younger my credit card points and miles journey, and understanding that, hey, without having a cash saver mentality or the generic standpoint of all credit cards are bad that have annual fees, not connecting the dots that, hey, a $95 annual fee for a free night a year, which let's say I value at $200, there's a delta of $100 between those two values, and understanding the long-term impact of this decision. I was still learning and dabbling around, and I called up the retentions department thinking that, hey, I can get away from this $95 annual fee and actually keep the card for another year and kind of take it from there. But not knowing what kind of questions to ask or whatnot, I got a retention offer of, hey, instead of 30 days to pay your bill in full, you can take 45 days to pay your bill in full. And I was like, oh, I don't want that offer. And not asking the right questions, I was just saying, yeah, along the way, kind of saying, thinking in my mind, nothing would happen. And lo and behold, the representative on the other side was basically like, hey, officially, sir, your card is canceled or something to this effect. But the point is, I lost one of my cards. It was obviously my fault, but the $10,000 mistake comes from whichever way you want to look at it or slice the pie. However, I basically have the Marriott Bonvoy Premier Business Credit Card. It's currently discontinued. And the card, when I said imagine a Marriott Bonvoy Boundless credit card where you get that annual free night, in reality what I actually had was the SPG Business Credit Card, which is currently discontinued. But the point to bring all of this home was really that free night, which I lost out on. With me having both of those cards, I would get 2 free nights per year. And so from an economies of scale perspective, or maybe if you want to consider the opportunity cost of saving on the cash I would have spent on a hotel and instead invested somewhere else, whichever way you slice the pie, $10,000 at minimum is kind of what I'm valuing this over my lifetime. I wanted to share this out here for anyone to avoid the same mistake because it's a small one, yet an expensive one. So with that, thanks for coming to the end.